Got some expensive road tires here. They are not puncture resistant at all. They're for performance or racing. You know, this is I don't recommend these tires unless you're racing, but most people, they're just recreational riders. What I do recommend is this tire right here. Now this is worth every penny. It is expensive, but it's worth every penny. This is the Schwalbe Marathon Plus tire. The brand is Schwalbe. The model is the Marathon Plus tire. Make sure it says Plus. Has a reflective sidewall, and it is extremely puncture resistant. This is like the most popular model from Schwalbe Marathon Plus. They have their own puncture protection rating, and this is the highest rating you can get. It's a 7. So yeah, definitely look into getting this tire. It's extremely difficult to put on. That's the bad part about it. It does have a reflective sidewall, and they are rated for e-bikes. It says e-bike rating. That's an EU, European Union, or an ISO rating.